right, let's warm it up. Right, left, right, left. We have 5 minutes to warm it up. Oh yeah, we're gonna get nice and warm. Step, touch, 2 times. Now, I always take the first 5 minutes of class to get nice and warm. I know I do not like to go into exercises with cold muscles and cold joints. That's no fun. So let's take the time to warm up properly. 5 minutes is always my bare bone minimum to warm up. Now, tap it right here. Give me just that tap. Hands are center. Reach. We're gonna reach our hands in a minute, but we're just doing that side tap. Let's get used to it. Side, reach. So you're reaching, it's like a circling in, palms in. If that's too fast, slow it down or just tap. Hup. Hands on your hips, step touch. We are just warming it up. Remember, low impact. If the arms are too much at the same time as the legs, don't do it. Cross heel, cross a heel, right here. So you're crossing the midline of your body with your heel, warming it up right here. So cross heel, cross heel, cross heel. 4 more, here we go. 4, 3, 2, march right to left, right, left. All right, we're gonna do elbow roll back. So we're leading with our elbows. Elbows. Hup. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, give me a single, double heel. Right to left march, left to right march. 2 step touches, here we go. Now give me arms, down, hup. Low impact, no jumping, no jarring on the joints. Lift your arms out to the side, shoulder height, right here. Hup. 4 more, here we go. 4, 3, then you're just gonna give me a tap, just give me a tap, right here. I wanna just work on the tap. All we're gonna do is reach to 12 o'clock. That's all. Ready, go. There you go. Give me that reach straight ahead. And you're giving me that tap. Looking good. Just gotta warm it up, guys. I wanna get you nice and warm. We do not wanna go into any exercise with cold muscles. It's really important to take the time to get a good warm up and a reach overhead. A good warm up and a really nice cool down and stretch. I really make that a component of every single workout I do. Now just step touch right here. Try to get a little lower so we work those legs a little more. But low impact, we're just step touching right here. Boom. Again, in the beginning, in the warm up, if it's too difficult to do the arms and legs at the same time, you're gonna just focus on the leg movement, okay? And eventually, you'll get the arms with it. Now, let's cross heel, row. Give me that little row with that cross heel. You guys nice and warm? You should be. Hup. Yeah, doing good. Hup. March any way you want. Deep breath in. And exhale. One more time. We're done with the warm-up. Big inhale. and exhale. We are moving on. So let's grab that one weight. We're just going to do 1 minute. We're going to side lunge, curtsy, side, curtsy, side lunge, curtsy, side lunge, curtsy, side. I got an 8 in my hand, curtsy, side. Now, if you don't like the curtsy, option, side lunge, overhead press. That curtsy lunge is just adding a little bit of a challenge. 1 minute, each exercise. 1, down, again, shake it off. Put the weight in your right hand. Are you ready? Again, you don't have to curtsy. Let's start on the left side. Now, you can curtsy, but let me show you the lower impact option. Right here. You don't have to go back. 40 seconds. Whew, 20 more seconds. Each exercise, 60 seconds. Shake it off. Good job, guys. Okay, we're gonna figure 8 pattern. Figure 8. Figure 8, nice and slow. Bring the knee up. Bring that knee up from the side. Balance challenge. Balance challenge. Get the knee higher than the belly button. Row. Row. Each exercise, 60 seconds. Your timing, your pace. Row. Row. You got 20 seconds. Let's go. Try to get that knee higher than the belly button and a beautiful side to side row. Let's go. All right, next song. Wall chair. You're gonna pick up, I'm gonna go to a 5-pound weight. You don't have to have a wall, you don't have to have a chair. You're just gonna press that heel out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, flex your foot. 4, 5. Keep the press out, keep the press out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20 more seconds. Now you can hold on to a wall. You can hold on to your weight. If you want that balance challenge, right here, up to you. Come on, press it out. So I want that balance challenge. I just wanted to show you, you have a wall. So are you flexing your foot? You're kicking your heel out and in. For 4 and 3, switch, other leg. So I'll start on a wall. So flex is strong flex, heel presses out. Major glute work right here. So I really need that heel to do the pressing out. Heel is pressing out. Foot is flexed. Major core challenge, major balance challenge right here. So you're maintaining that strong flexed foot. 20 more seconds. You can do it. So it's your heel is pressing a door out, and it's really a strong activation of that gluteus maximus and medius, a little of the medius. Come on. Press it out. Soft bend in that stabilizing leg that's holding you. 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Shake that out. That was a great butt burner. Again, next one, we're going to row in, out. Here we go. 1 minute. Row, out. You can hold on to a wall. Pick a leg right here. Working unilateral movement. Major balance. Row it back. And a wide T. That heel is lifting to the ceiling. Glute activation. Yeah. 1 minute each exercise. Move through that wet cement. Come on. Let's work. You're picking those light weights, you guys, because I'm doing tons of repetition. Focusing on muscular endurance. Up. So you have a strong flex foot. Up. Out. 10 more seconds. Up. Out. Hold on to that chair if you need to. Hold on to something sturdy and stable. 4, 3, 2, switch. 1 minute. One side may feel a little easier than another side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right here. Let's go. So it's a beautiful back row and a T. Unilateral movement, working one body side at a time. Let's challenge that balance. Keep going. You're gonna keep going. Right here. Come on. You got 10 more seconds. And we're gonna grab the complementary weight to this one. We're gonna have 2 weights in our hands. Grab the complementary weight. Take your hands up, feet hip width apart. 4, 3, we're gonna go out 2 and all the way in for 2. Out, 2, working on those biceps. So we focused on a lot of lower body so far. Let's get a little upper body focus. Come on. Keep it going. 2, in 2, out, 2. Shoulders set back, down and away from your ears. Yeah, I got those 5s in my hands. Again, sweat is dripping into my eye, literally. Oh, we are so strong. Upper body track. Let's do the back rows. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, keep this pattern. Woo! 40 seconds. Keep this pattern. Back runners. Now you can have your feet hip width apart. You can sit back in your heels. Shoulders melted away from your ears. Right here. Back runners. Woo! Yeah, just 20 more seconds. And we're going to go into wide back runners. Feel free to drop the weight anytime you need to. Muscular endurance is being challenged on a huge level. Yeah, you don't need any weights if you're burning. Palms face away wide. 1, 2, 1, 2. Decrease that range of motion from the side. Sitting back in your heels. Shoulders melted away from your ears from behind. Sitting back in my heels. Feel those rhomboids? You're grabbing a bar and you're just picking it up. You're not going all the way down. Decrease range of motion because we're moving quick. Let's go. Sit back in the heels. Sit nice and even between that right and left leg. Don't put more weight on one side of your body. Make sure you're nice and even. To the side. Sit it up. Scrub your side. Come on. You can do a little hip action with it if you want. hitting those core. If not, if you don't add the hip action, you're working more shoulders. If you add that hip action side to side, you're working internal, external obliques along with those shoulders. You got 10 more seconds. Come on. Woo, come on. Work through this song. Work through this song. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, now we're gonna grab our mat. You're gonna grab your weights. Why don't we go ahead? Because we're gonna start taking it down from here. Grab that magic circle. Grab your ball. Again, you don't need it. I'm gonna have my 5s and I'm gonna have my 8s, okay? We're gonna start with the Renegade Row. Woo. Okay. Right here. Are you ready? Now, let me show you an option. Up, down. So if you don't like the Renegade Row, right here. Beautiful option. Or up. You're in a plank. Right here. You got 10 seconds. And we're going to go to the other side. All right, quickly switch. Now again, if you're not in that plank, right here, it's called a Renegade Row. You're right here with that foot forward. 20 more seconds. I got that 8 in my hand. You got 10 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on your knees. Put that ball in between. If you don't have a ball, don't worry. You don't need it. It just helps track your hip knees forward. You're not squeezing the ball. It's just there. Okay? We're going to upright row. 2 by 2. And 4. And 3. 2 by 2. Here we go. 1, 2. Down. 2. We're just strength training from a different position, right? Okay, we're gonna take it all the way up. Let's take up our shirt. 1, 2, now put our shirt back on. Pick up your shirt, pull it off, put it back on. Up, 2, down, 2, up, 2. So you're just picking up your shirt. Pick up your shirt, peekaboo. Whew, lift it up, lift it down, lift it up, lift it down, lift it up. 8 more, we're gonna move on. 8, you can do it. Woo, 7, working your whole body really. Got 8s in my hands. Come on. Okay, just say 4 more just because. I know we're working. Yeah, baby. 1 more. Oh, shake it out. Oh, roll the shoulders really quick. Now we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. Oh, kneeling core. When's the last time you did this? See how that ball helps? It tracks the hips and then knees forward. Imagine you have a wall behind you. Okay, shoulders set back, down and away from your ears. Kneeling side, working internal and external obliques. Chest is nice and open. Shoulders are sliding on the back wall. Can you do that for me? Yeah? Okay, time to take it down. Time to take it down. Okay, you're gonna have 2 choices in 20 seconds. So you can we're doing shoulder work and we're gonna come down, or you can up 2, down 2. We're gonna go for 1 minute. You can pick a light weight. So pick it up, skim your body up, and come down. I still have my ball in between. Side plank, 2 by 2, here we go. Up, 2, down 2, I got the 8 in my hand. Up, 2. Now again, you don't have to be in that side plank. Up, 2, down, 2, up, 2, down 2. Come on, up, 2, down, 2, up, 2, down 2. 8 more. Up, 2, down, 1, up, 2, down, 2, up, 2, down, 3, up, 2, down, 4, up, 2, down, 5, up, 2, down 6, total 16, up, 2, down 7, up, 2. Oh, take a break. We're gonna do 16 on the other side. Again, you can be on your forearm. You don't have to be up. Are y'all ready? Say my name. I know we're working hard. Okay, you ready? We got 16. Up 2, keep it right by your body. Ready? Here we go. Up, 2, down, 1, up, 2, down, 2, up, 2, down, 3, up, 2, down, 4, up, 2, down, 5, up, 2, down, 6, up, 2, down, 7, up, 2, down, 8, 8 more, up, 2, down, 9, up, 2, down, 10, up, 2, down, 11, up, 2, down, 12, woo, up, 2, down, 13, up, 2, down, 14, up, 2, down, 15, up, 2, down, 16. Wow. Oh, I'm going to ask a lot of you. Grab really light weights now. Okay. Hold the ball there. Give it a little bit of a 10% squeeze. I have my 5s here. Sitting up nice and tall. I'm going to lift my right arm, then my left arm. Here we go. 2 by 2. Up, 2, down, 2, left arm, up, 2. Oh, I can go heavier. I'm going 8. Up, 2, down, 2, up, 2. Keep that 2 by 2 pattern. Sit up nice and tall. Challenging your body to strength train in all different directions. Up, 2. Don't take your arms behind your ears. Up, 2. You're going to work through this song. Up, 2, down, 2. Okay, quick break. Woo! You're still sitting up tall, right? If you want more of a workout, flex your foot. Give that ball a little inner squeeze. Let's go up 2, down 2, up 2. Now then palms face away. Up 2, and then palms face in. Up 2, out 2. Woo! Changing that position. Up 2, out 2. Out 2, are you sitting up tall? Yeah, I'm making you work for it, aren't I? Up 2, are you squeezing that ball with a 10% squeeze? About a 5 or 10% squeeze. Keep this beautiful pattern. Up 2. Oh, feels so good. Oh, are you sitting up nice and tall? Chest tall and proud? Am I challenging your body? Oh, take a break. Take that break. All right. Why don't you put that ball? Okay, so I'm going to come to the side so you can see me. Now you're holding that ball. You have your hands behind you. All right, let's just lift through our heels. Lift. 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, but don't let your butt touch. Don't let your butt touch. Up. 2, 3, 4. Don't let your butt touch. Butt doesn't touch. Up 4, down 4. Up 2. Let's use our own body weight here. Down 2. Beautiful squeeze. One more. All right, sit on your butt. Weights go forward. 1, 2. I'm pushing. Chest action. Sit up tall. You're holding that ball with your feet. Shoulders melt away from your ears. Right in front. Sit up tall. Come on, you got to rod up your spine. Sit up tall. Shoulders don't protract forward. Sit up tall. Come on. 8 more. Here we go. 8. 7. I got 8s in my hands. 6. 5. 4. Sit up tall. Yeah, you can do it. Oh. Quick break. Take the weights by your side. Are you ready to go up for 4 and down for 4? Let's start it. Up, 2, 3, 4. Down. I don't want the butt to touch. Butt doesn't touch again. Up, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3. Again. Up, 2, 3. Woo, you ready? Let's punch, but palms up. Palms up. A palm up punch. Hold that ball. Flex your foot. Flex your foot. Hold that ball. Sit up tall. Come on. Light sculpting. Hold. Palms are facing up. Shoulders melted away from your ears. Anybody else using those 8 pounds? Come on. Quick break. Quick break. Okay, only if you got the magic circle, grab it. Again, not required. Absolutely not required. We're on the down low. Go ahead. Hold the ball with your feet. Woo, can you start circling that ball to the ceiling? Right here. Your timing. Put a soft bend in the knee. Starting that core action. We're just holding the magic circle. Or if you want, you can place that magic circle, bend, put a bend in your elbows. You can take it over your head, but your head is on the ground. We're just starting the circles with the ball. 4 and 3. Reverse, reverse, reverse. Right here. Just reversing that circle. Yeah. Come on. Reverse that circle. Starting to hit your low core right here. There's no tension in the upper body. All right, so we're going to take the legs down. Heels touch up too. Now we're going to come up over our head. Down. And then take the magic circle over our head. Down, shoulders off the mat. Over our head, 30 seconds. Down, 2. Over our head for 2. Down, 2. Over our head for 2. So that ball touches, and then you lengthen at a 45-degree angle. Move through the wet cement. 1, 2, over for 2. Now if this hurts your back, rest your upper body and do the arm movements with your upper body rested, just like this. You don't ever have to take your shoulders off of the mat. If your low back hurts, you're just gonna modify and you're gonna go within your range of motion for you. Down. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Hold that ball up. We're just gonna take the magic circle outside and outside. Ready? Here we go. Now, if you don't have a magic circle, just take your hands like you have a gun. One side, other side. Pointer fingers are going side to side, side to side. Now, if you have a magic circle, the magic circle is going to the outside of the foot, outside of the leg, outside of your body, outside. Now, when you get tired, take a break. Take a break. Soft bend in your knee. If your hamstrings or your back is hurting you, put a bend in your knee, just like this. Or another option is to have your feet on the ground, right here. So your call, where you want to go with it, increase or decrease your workload. Whew. All right. I want you to put that ball, it fell from my ankle. Okay. We're going to try to lift up our feet. Let's lift up our feet. So just lift your heels off the ground an inch. Just lift your legs off the ground an inch. And release. Now, if you want to rest your upper body on the mat, you can. We're just going to simply hold this ball and lift our heels off the floor an inch. Ready? Here we go. Now, I like to prop my forearms. It feels better on my back. I'm better if I prop like this. No pressure on the ball. You're just taking your heels. Take your heels off. Major core isometric contraction and release. Again, if this is too much, why don't you try putting a bend in your knee and lifting your heels off? That's a great modification right here where you're just lifting your heels off, okay? I'm doing major intensive core work. Are you ready? Let's hold it up again. 15 seconds. Come on. You got 5 more seconds. Release. Woo. Okay. We are going to start our stretch. Let's lay down. Just grab a leg. One knee in, one leg straight. Beautiful workout today. Lift that leg. Point, flex, circle. It's time for me to make a change. To start living the life I want. Take the knee to the back of the room. Look over that front shoulder. It's up to me to see who I can be. Make dreams reality. Take that back knee in, front leg straight. Point, flex, circle. Straight leg, point, flex, circle. I won't live the life others expect of me. Take that knee to the front of the room. Look over your back shoulder. Look to the back of the room. It's time for me to make a change. Start living the life I want. Take it up. Pick any side. I don't care. And up and over. You're going to do both sides. Other side. Downward facing dog. Try to get those heels on the ground. Wiggle your butt. Release your head, neck, and shoulders. Walk your hands back to your feet. Grab your elbows and hold. Hands on top of your thighs. Look over the left shoulder. Look over the right. Take it to the side. Other side. It's up to me to see who I can be. Wide squat. Press the knees out and away. Press those knees out and away. Right hand down, left fingertips up to the ceiling. Left hand down, right fingertips up. Hands down, toe heel in, feet hip width apart, roll it up. Shoulders back. Chest expansion. I'm never giving up. I'm never giving up. Deep breath in. And exhale. Woo!